Today's Shogun Mind Bomb is about how to deal with a negative wife. You'll use a mind control technique called gaslighting to stop her negative and toxic behavior. I gotta warn you first though, gaslighting can be seen as somewhat bad, but let me assure you that this is okay. After all, you want your wife to be positive and happy, right? So as long as you're doing this with good intentions, then you're fine. So, let's see how you can use the gaslighting technique on your negative wife. First, understand that the best cure for a negative wife is always prevention, and that prevention comes in the form of fractionation. And yet, when the drama in your marriage is pushing you to your limit, you need to use a more drastic and more immediate solution, and that's where gaslighting comes in. Gaslighting is a technique that makes your wife doubt her own perception of reality. This is a very powerful and very dangerous technique, which is why I urge you to use it correctly and responsibly, or not at all. Here's how gaslighting works. First, you plant these seeds of inadequacy in your wife. For instance, you can accuse her of being ungrateful or disrespectful. Naturally, she'll deny this or try to turn the tables on you. Secondly, you double down on your accusation. Here, you give heavy, irrefutable proof of what you accuse her of. For instance, you cite several instances of her being ungrateful or disrespectful. You don't let up until she realizes you're right, apologizes, or breaks down emotionally. Thirdly, you entice her back by giving her the exact opposite of the emotion you inflicted in the first two steps. If you embarrassed her, you must comfort her and make her feel safe. If you made her feel guilty, you must forgive her. You get the idea. And lastly, you stabilize by imposing your authority and power in your marriage. You can say, "Don't ever do that to me again. Am I clear?" To which she'll agree. Congratulations! You've successfully restored the balance in your marriage. So, there you have it. A summary on how to use gaslighting to make your wife more positive in her thoughts and behavior. Here's the deal. If you use this technique correctly, it will work like magic on your marriage, just like all the other Shogun method techniques. Believe me, because this is 100% true. If you like this video, scroll down and click the like button now. And for more mind control attraction tactics, sign up at https://fractionationhypnosis.com or click the link in the video description below.